Are you thinking about relocating to Irving, Texas? Well, this video will cover everything you need to know about making the move to the incredible city of Irving. What's up, guys? My name is Casey McEwen, and I'm your local trusted real estate agent and investor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And if you're finding this channel content on all things Dallas-Fort Worth valuable, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It truly helps out the channel. With a population of just over 250,000 or 250,000, Irving, Texas has become a popular choice for those considering a move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Recently ranked by niche.com as the 33rd best place to live in the entire United States, Irving offers a unique blend of convenience, amenities, and a great community feel. Today we'll discuss the essentials of living in Irving, covering cost of living, location, schools, crime rates, and of course, the beautiful cost of housing. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's go ahead and start with Irving's prime location. It's situated centrally between Dallas-Fort Worth, and Irving is northwest of Dallas and northeast of Fort Worth, making it easily accessible to both cities. Now, major highways like the 183 and 635, as well as the 114 and George Bush Turnpike, run all the way through Irving, providing easy commuting routes. Irving is about 10 minutes from DFW Airport and 20 minutes from Dallas Love Airport, making travel outside of the local DFW area incredibly easy. Irving's location also makes it ideal for reaching both downtown Dallas, which is only about 20 minutes away, and Fort Worth, the city of downtown Fort Worth, only about 30 minutes away with no traffic. Now, while traffic can pick up during peak times, Irving has multiple freeways, so getting around is generally manageable. Public transportation through the DART system or the Dallas Area Rapid Transit is also available for those who prefer not to drive. Now, another great aspect of Irving is the abundance of things to do. With 80 parks covering over 2,000 acres, there's no shortage of outdoor activity. Irving offers hiking and biking trails, sports facilities, fishing spots, swimming, and even options for canoeing or kayaking. The Toyota Music Factory, in addition, is an open-air entertainment hub with live music, restaurants, and bars, and is a major attraction, bringing in popular artists and providing year-round entertainment. Now, for a bit of lakeside relaxation, Irving's Lake Carolyn is a great spot. Additionally, the nearby Arlington Entertainment District is only about 20 to 25 minutes away, so you're close enough to catch a Cowboys or Rangers game or even visit Texas live. Irving also offers a staycation vibe with places like the Las Colinas Resort and the Omni Las Colinas Hotel. Now, for those who enjoy shopping, Irving has both large retail stores and unique local boutiques. You'll find grocery staples like Walmart and Target alongside specialty stores like Whole Foods. And Irving Mall is the main shopping center in the area, featuring a mix of stores for all of your shopping needs. Plus, thanks to Irving's central location, you're not far from premium shopping and dining options in all of the surrounding cities, really, in Dallas-Fort Worth. Now, Irving's independent school district is highly rated with an overall B from the Texas Education Agency, scoring 84 out of 100. Now, the district includes 37 schools and serves about 32,000 students, offering a favorable teacher-to-student ratio of about 14:1. For families interested in alternatives to public education, Irving also has private and charter school options. Now, when considering a new city, safety is always a concern. Irving's crime and safety rating is a C on Niche and a D on crimegrade.org. However, the Irving Police Department provides a crime heat map that allows residents to check for more specific information on crime rates by area, helping newcomers make informed decisions about where exactly to live in the city. And just to be fully transparent with you guys, I actually lived in the city of Irving, probably in an area that was a little bit more crime-ridden than other better areas of Irving, but still didn't really experience a lot of the crime that certain areas of Irving may experience. My biggest suggestion when it comes to the crime rate in Irving is it can be a little daunting or a little concerning, but dig a little bit deeper because there are areas, and a lot of areas in the city of Irving, that have no crime whatsoever. It's just specific parts of Irving that are a little less desirable because of the crime. And then you've got some other areas of Irving that are really on the other side of the spectrum where there's absolutely no crime. So just do a little bit more research when it comes to looking or potentially purchasing and relocating to Irving. Now, one of the biggest draws to Irving is the relatively affordable cost of living. Now, while Irving's cost of living is about 3% higher than the national average, housing prices are about 4% lower than the national average, which is appealing for many. The median home price in Irving is around $375,000 as of April 2023, which aligns closely with the broader Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now, this price range typically affords you a 1,500 to 2,000 square foot home with 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms and anywhere from 2 to 3 bathrooms. Though many of Irving's homes are older, newer builds are available with prices ranging ranging from anywhere from the low 300s to over $1 million. Now that's just a brief insight into the real estate market there in Irving, Texas. Be aware though that there are really two different sides to Irving. To be quite frank with you, the 183 freeway kind of breaks up South Irving to North Irving. You're gonna obviously see much higher priced homes in the north side of Irving, near Las Colinas, and you're gonna see a lot more affordable housing on the south side of Irving. It's not to say that the south side is bad and the north side is good. It's just gonna have a lot more affordable housing on the south side, a lot more newer construction, a lot more commercial development, and a lot more things to do on the north side versus the south. So really, if you're looking more towards that $300,000 price point, you're likely looking at 183 or south, maybe just slightly north of 183. The further north you go though, you are going to be getting into more new construction or newer homes, closer to that 600, 800, if not north of $1 million price point. Now I know this was definitely a brief video on the city of Irving overall. If you didn't get all of your questions answered, make sure to reach out to me. All of my information is going to be down in the description below or in the pinned comment. You can reach out to me via my email. You can shoot me a text, schedule a call for a quick call just to discuss kind of what you would like to know more about, or just leave a comment in the comment section down below. I get back to just about every single comment. Thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate all your support. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more future content.